Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.
Rohan and Sania work in the garden. Rohan and Sania like to work in the garden. Can we help? We can dig up the soil. We can water the plants. We can pick up dry leaves and put them in the bin.
Alright, let us water the plants. Who wants this blue watering can? Who wants this red watering can?
Oh, look at the red rose. Look, this pink rose is so pretty. This rose is white. And this one is yellow. Let us water the roses. Let us water the green plants. Oh, these plants look dry. There are no leaves on them. Give them some water. After a few days, they will get new leaves. They will have flowers.